In primetime news this evening, from girls being groomed to perform sexual acts on older men to marriage, we break down what led to the charges on Yahweh Church members. KSAMC in the firing line again over poor monitoring, this time from a government agency. And later, 1,000 STEM scholarships on offer for needy tertiary students.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, Access Financial Services is implementing a new program which it hopes will help to alleviate poverty. I'll give the details a little later on. Thank you, Keys. And Giovanni Dennis, an unusual name, is here with sports. Unusual for sports, that is.
Well, Archibald, the Elaine Thompson-Herah double Olympic sprint champion and Shericka Jackson are among the big names to take the field in the 100 meters women's race at the national trials later this evening. We'll have the details of that plus so much more.
I've been watching previews of who's going to win in that
I'm
race.
excited. Any bets? Any bets?
No, not on national TV. No.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what has been your recent experience accessing healthcare at public facilities?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.